With bug bounty, it's really easy to go into the rabbit hole, spend a lot of time, and then not finding anything can be super overwhelming because you never really know, should I stop now? You don't have your boss or your manager that will say, sorry, it's time to move on. We have to finish this report. My personal advice for people would be, even though the scope is huge, challenge yourself to limit the scope. When I start hacking on something that it has like the widest scope possible, for example, Google, I mean, how many applications do they even have? I will try to limit it to one application, but I'll go even further than that. I will try to really limit it to maybe a subset of functionalities. For example, today I want to find a bug in the what you see is what you get editor. And then, you have a very specific challenges. Very often people try something, it doesn't work immediately and they move on. But it can be very good to know, okay, no, I first want to list all the potential scenarios I have in mind for this. And by limiting it, it will force you to be more creative.